Now let's take a look at this figure 14-6. It deals with the rotor and how the rotor is designed and manufactured. If you could visualize the very top of the illustration, that being one piece of metal, and it wasn't sandwiched as you see below, the eddy currents in it would be great. I mean, it would just heat up, and the rotor would not produce the efficiency of the motor at all. It wouldn't do the job you wanted it to do. So they sandwich it together like you see the bottom illustration, and they go piece by piece and sandwich it together, and that reduces the eddy currents big time that flow in there, see, from the magnetic fields that the field poles generate. And then the rotor operates efficiently. But notice that rotor now, the way it's designed is going to give you your torque. And the way we'll see how the rotor's designed will determine what kind of torque you're going to get using a design B, C, or D type motor that again is illustrated and referenced in your table 430.250 and table 430.251 in the National Electrical Code. But this figure 14-6 is illustrating the design and the manufacture, how they manufacture the rotor so the rotor will produce the maximum efficiency when the motor is operating.